In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook search button or search bar not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook app, up-to-date your Facebook app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache. Now tap on manage space. Then delete app data. Now tap on delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Facebook app. Now log into your account. Now click on save. Then click on skip. Now click on search bar or search button. Now search any. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook search bar, search button not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.